Hello and welcome to another camp adventure. Tonight we're out on a little stroll up here into the forest in the middle of the city. It was a while since I did that. I will see if I will sleep here tonight. I maybe will go home also. And now for my beloved chair. I have my middle chair. I have a ground chair too, but that's really low and light. But that one has a break. I need to buy another one when I have some money over. So now I'm fitting under here. And I think I have a light I can put up here. Or maybe somewhere else. Like that. What do you think? This is cozy. And here is a bear that has fallen out of the backpack. I only have 2 bears. Cheers. Oh. Don't need to go far. Here is a fallen tree. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Maybe around here. Sitting under the tarp in the rain. Perfect. Oh, I have my beer left here also. That's nice. Really warm here now, but it will die down a little bit here. I have all the small stuff burning really quick now, but soon we will put on some, I think we will put on some big stuff now. Oh, hello. As you can see, I have pulled in a lot of this dead lying here all around. So, but it's blowing into my shelter. Okay, I need to move it a little bit in this direction. Let's see. I think it's a little bit less smoke into my shelter. Or not. Ah. Oh, hello again. It has passed a couple of hours now, so I think we will drink the second beer, and the second and last beer. And as you can see, it's starting to get summer soon here, because the clock is 9 at the evening and it's really bright outside now. Ah, cheers. But now I have burned off quite a lot of these logs here, so now we can move them. Like this. As I say every time. This is so wonderful.